Hi friends, I welcome you all in this exciting training session being conducted by TNV Academy. Let me explain you that what we will be covering in this session. In today's session, we will be covering the class 8.1 Operational Planning and Control, and this comes under the main class 8 Operation of ISO 9001-2015. The class 8 signifies the do part of the Plan, Do, Check Act. It's called PDCA cycle, and this consists of the following subclasses: 8.1 Operation Planning and Control, 8.2 Requirements for Products and Services, 8.3 Design and Development of Products and Services, 8.4 Control of Externally Provided Products and Services, 8.5 Production and Service Provision, 8.6 Release of Products and Services, 8.7 Control of Non-Conforming Outputs. Okay, in this session, we will be discussing only about 8.1 Operational Planning and Control. Now let us understand the internal references taken by class 8.1 of ISO 9001-2015. As far as this class is concerned, this takes reference from ISO 9000-2015 standard. ISO 9000-2015 standard spells out the terms and definitions used in this international standard so that no misinterpretation is done while implementing the requirements of ISO 9001-2015. Now let me tell you what are the key learnings takeaways from this session. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand how to plan the operation of the processes as per requirements of the quality management system. What are the controls to be established to ensure conformity of products and services to the requirements? So let's begin our discussion regarding class 8.1 Operational Control. What is operation? Operations are the processes needed to create the products and services of the organization. This starts from identifying the requirements that the product or service needs to be met through creation and delivery. This includes design, development, and procurement from suppliers and external providers. The requirement is to determine the requirements for products and services, documented information and criteria for products and services, resources and controls according to the criteria. Also, the output of this operational planning for the QMS should be suitable to the organization's operations. Organizations must establish their product and service requirements and then look at the relevant processes to determine how they will be controlled and measured. For example, specifications, tolerances, targets, values, key performance indicators. In addition, resources necessary to ensure conformity to product service requirements need to be established by the organization. Consideration should be given to all the processes, direct and indirect, required to deliver the products and services that meet the customer requirements. The organization shall plan, implement, and control the processes needed to meet the requirements for the provision of products and services, and to implement the actions as per the class 6 by determining the requirements for products and services, and also establishing criteria for the processes, the acceptance of products and services, determining the resources needed to achieve conformity, and implementing the control for the processes in accordance with the criteria, as well as determining and maintaining records to the extent necessary to have confidence that these processes have been carried out as planned. To demonstrate the conformity of products and services to their requirements, the organization shall ensure outsourced processes are also controlled. Friends, I hope you are clear with the requirements of class 8.1 of ISO 9001-2015. So now we will learn about the mandatory documentary requirements that an organization has to maintain while meeting the requirements of class 8.1. There is mandatory documentary requirement for maintaining documentation and retaining records to the extent necessary to have confidence that the processes have been carried out as planned and to demonstrate the conformity of products and services to requirements. For example, specification of product, a document, an inspection report in production as a record. These are very important to be maintained. Dear friends, we have now come to the conclusion of this training session. I hope you all must have understood the requirements and concepts that fall under the class 8.1 of ISO 9001-2015. See you soon with an exciting new topic. Till then, it's me signing off. Goodbye and thank you.